All right, what is going on, folks? Long time no hear, long time no see. Seems like Ontarian Hawkins here, passive income guru, guys. Got some news for you. So make sure you tune on in. Make sure you tune on in, and we're going to talk some real talk right now, guys. You guys know what's going on, right? I ain't got to tell you, but I want to put some things in perspective. Um, and really what I'm going to talk about is what I predicted um, some months ago. I'd say about 90 days ago, maybe more, as I drew out a specific plan. Guys. Okay. A lot of things going on in the world right now. I'm not going to talk about world events, right? You guys know what's going on. I'm here to, so to speak, give you some type of solution that you can, maybe lean on, and hopefully, you take heed. I can only give you information. I can't make you do anything, but my goal is to give you the best passive income strategy moving forward, guys, in 2022, guys. A lot of things are changing every single day, And one of the major things in the news, I'm talking about in the online world news, is cryptocurrency. Okay, cryptocurrency. We know Bitcoin is way down there in the gutter, and I believe it's going to continue to drop. A lot of people have lost some money. A lot of people have lost some hundreds. A lot of people have lost thousands with this. Okay, and truth be told, guys, when it comes to these, when it comes to crypto, guys, you can't predict it, right? You can't predict it. There was a point, what, 6 months ago? I'm trying to see. But almost a year ago now, Bitcoin was up there and it's almost 60,000, guys. Now we're down to 20,000. Huge drop. So let's get into this. Guys. And let's look at Bitcoin first. Bitcoin is still dropping, as you can see. Share my screen. Share. And let's go to my handy dandy tool, the Monero. Okay. Now, remember months and months ago, I was telling you guys to get involved in trading. Okay. Now, why did I say there's a couple of reasons why I said that. A couple of reasons why I said this. First of all, it's a skill set that you can have with you for life. It's something you can pass on to your children, to create a legacy. But not only that, is you can also, the education is going to help you to see certain things happen before it happened. Right? You're going to see, I knew this drop was going to happen. Okay? I knew this drop because Bitcoin, this is the daily chart, by the way, on the Monero. Bitcoin formed what's called a bearish flag. Okay, this is the daily chart. It formed a bearish flag. This move right here, and then it just consolidated here for a while. So a flag is like, if you can imagine with me, if I draw this line right here, actually it was right here before it broke this structure. So it was right here as a bearish. It threw a bearish flag and was here to sit here for a long time. And I said, this thing is about to drop. And of course it did. These blue lines you see right here, are what's called levels. They're respected levels, support and resistance levels. Okay. So what I mean by that, if you're new to trading, these are where price were respecting these zones. Okay. So for example, this A coordinate right here, you see price came up here, respected this area, and then bounced off of it. Price came down here. It's respecting this area, kind of bounced up, and then it broke it. And then it respected the area again, retested it, and then broke way down. And then it consolidated for a long time. This is where it formed the bearish flag. Okay. And then it came up, price came up in the daily, hit this right here, came up, bounced off of this support level, came up, hit this form, so to speak, a double top, and dropped. This is where we are now. Okay. This is a revert. This is right here is a reversal pattern. That's something that is going to be going the other way. And as you can see, Bitcoin, guys, looking at it live, is 20,000, hovering between 20,800 something right now. Now, the way it looks, the way I'm looking at this candle right here, and the rejection I see here, this thing is going to continue to drop. If I go to the weekly chart, okay, all right, we have a Gartley forming on the weekly chart. Actually, it already formed, the Gartley. Okay, this is a pattern that Monara, one of the patterns that Monara gives you in trading. So it gives you the entry, okay? But the weekly, we got a little rejection on the weekly, but we have a strong downtrend, guys. The next support level is around 12,000. Usually what happens is price loves to revisit support levels and resistance levels, okay? So from the looks of it, this is a strong bearish candle, very strong candle on the weekly. We can get some more push down here, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it is very possible. Okay, I'm not saying it's a guarantee, but it's very possible. So you're probably asking, okay, I know this has happened. Okay, I know this has happened. What can I do? Right? Maybe some of you've lost some money in your Bitcoin. Maybe you sold off your Bitcoin. Maybe some of you sold off your, because you understand, you know, when Bitcoin drops, everything else drops. All the other altcoins is dropped. Bitcoin is the big granddaddy. And then all the other children behind it are the altcoins. So when Bitcoin drops, guess what? All the other coins drop. Right? We know this. If you didn't know it, now you know. Okay. So everything is dumping. Is dumping right now. All right. So what can you do? Well, you know, what do coaches in basketball and football, if a team has a lot of momentum, what do? They go back to the drawing board. Okay. They call timeout. Okay, to give us a timeout. Let's draw up another game plan, because what we're doing right now is getting us in a losing, very uncomfortable position. Okay, let's go back to the drawing board. All right, so let's go to the whiteboard, as I always like to do, and let's see what we can do to get some more momentum, right? To gain momentum. This is the drawing board I had in my last video. I want to revisit it because it still stands. All right. In the middle, we have Forex trading. Forex, guys, you want to, again, get yourself involved in this right here, because guess what? If you knew about Forex or knew how to trade, you could have actually traded this particular move. I hate that I missed this thing. I knew it was going to happen, and I wanted to get in on the top of it, and I missed my entry. This would have been oh my goodness. I saw it before it dropped. Before I seen the drop, it was around 28, between 28 and 26,000. And I said, and I was telling myself, it's going to drop hard, and that joker did. I should have got in. But if you knew how to trade, guys, you would have traded this, and you could have been in profit. Okay, right now. All right. So that's why I always say, hey, you know, get yourself in Forex, guys. I'm gonna keep stressing it. I'm gonna keep stressing it. Stay away from these these other programs, right? These and I do have another. By the way, I got a crypto program I'm going to talk about in just a second. I'm going to give you my honest opinion on it. So stay tuned. But everything outside of what I tell you on this other company, stay away from, okay? There's a lot of people that lost a lot of money in these crypto programs that's been out there. They're collapsing left and right. What else can you do? Because people want you, truth be told, you want to learn how to make extra income. You need extra income because why? What's going on right now, guys? And just touch on it just for a second. Here's the real deal. Let me get let's get this color right here so you can see. So what's happening right now? We have something called inflation, ladies and gentlemen. Inflation. Okay. And how do we know inflation is happening? Well, shoot, just go to your gas pump. Gas is sky high. Go to your local grocery store. Groceries are sky high. This is causing a panic. Kind of give you the psychology of why Bitcoin is dumping. This is just my opinion, but hey, this is what I see. This right here, inflation, is causing a panic. Okay, causing people to sell off their crypto, and Bitcoin is dumping. Okay, there's some manipulation in here too, guys. A lot of manipulation. I'm not going to talk about, but Bitcoin is dropping. Inflation is going up. Inflation is up. Bitcoin is down. People are panicking. They need to sell off their crypto to pay for gas, to pay for food. Okay. But guess what's staying neutral? Do you know what's staying neutral? Okay. This is my neutral. This is my neutral symbol. Your job pay. Interesting. That is very interesting. Your job pay is the same across the board. Everything is going up. Bitcoin's going down, but your job pay is the same. So that means we have to do something. Okay? We got to do something. We got to do it fast, right? We got to do it fast. All right, guys, again, I've been stressing this thing for a while, right? This model right here. Again, I'm an informationalist. All right. I'm an informationalist. That's it. I give information. I don't twist nobody's arm. I don't try to convince anyone. I'm not all my videos on over 1,000 of them. You'll never hear me convince you to do anything. You never hear me beg you to do anything. I can only give you information and what I see. Okay. So get yourself involved in the educational platform that I'm a part of and learning how to do Forex. Not only that, guys, we just launched the other day our new binary platform. We have two incredible binary option teachers that is going to help you to make money in minutes. Now, the difference between Forex and binary is money, literally money in minutes. 60 seconds, 30 seconds, 120 seconds. You can make money. I'm dead serious. Okay. We have that. We have the apps coming out for both of these, guys. We have signals, right? Where you can just copy and paste from the experts while you're out and about. We have a software, Forex software, put on automation. We have everything. We have so much between this hub alone, and this particular hub alone. There's a lot of great information that's going to help you generate passive income, guys. So don't sleep on this. Okay. Now is the time, as I always stress. Now is the time to make a move. Now, let's talk about Pegasus. Good old Pegasus. Now I'm switching gears now. And then again, I'm going to hit each one of these separately. Probably starting either, I may do another video today, but we'll see. Maybe more than likely starting tomorrow because I got some things to do. Okay. But I want to give you guys an overall picture of what's going on. I'm pretty sure you already know, and give you a solution. Okay. That's my job. Give you a solution as well. So let's talk about Pegasus. Pegasus is scamming people. Again, all these other crypto opportunities, you see, you seeing these big guys out there pushing, their weight and pushing these other crypto programs big time, right? Well, guess what? When Bitcoin drops, ladies and gentlemen, guess what happens? A lot of these crypto programs are going to turn into dust. First, number one, two things are going to happen with these crypto, and it's already happened. I'm just kind of giving you the insight and give you the warning not to go into these other crypto opportunities that outside of Pegasus, okay? Because they're rubbish. When Bitcoin drops, guess what? All the other altcoins drop. That causes people in these other opportunities, the Bitcoin programs, your BNB programs, your other Bitcoin programs that because what's going on is a lot of your Bitcoin programs are based off of BNB or Binance Coin. Okay. Understand, when BNB goes down, Binance Coin goes down too. If you don't believe me, go pull up crypto. Just go to crypto.com on your phone and look at all the coins. Everything's gonna be in red. Everything's in red right now. I ain't gotta look at it because I understand the psychology of what every time it dumps, it dumps. Every time Bitcoin goes up, guess what? Everything else goes up. It's the psychology of it. Along in that train, the crypto programs diminish as well. Now, during this big drop, guess what? During this big drop in the last few days, 3-4 days, Pegasus has been a winner, ladies and gentlemen. As a matter of fact, let's go to the website. Let's go to the website. Pegasus, guys, has officially launched. It launched on June the 1st. Hold on, let me take a sip of my coffee, guys. One sec. It launched on June the 1st. But check this out. It was in pre-launch for a long time, since December of last year. So we just officially launched, ladies and gentlemen. I'm still getting paid from this. As a matter of fact, actually, yeah, I'm going to do another video. The next video I'm going to do is a live withdrawal from this. I'm going to show you how fast it hits my account. Okay. Just going to do a live demonstration like I've done before. You're going to see a lot of videos. Actually, there are already a lot of videos on Pegasus. There wasn't a lot of videos when I started talking about Pegasus. If you've been following me, there wasn't a lot of videos out there on it. But go to YouTube right now and see how many videos is on Pegasus. There's a lot more videos on Pegasus, guys, because it is producing. It is producing very, very well. Okay, so Pegasus, I'm going to go through this pretty swiftly, so pay attention. This is a professional trading system, guys, where you can make 1.5% a day in 200 days. Okay, I like the way they set it up because there's limits to this thing. There is limits. You can't come in here and pump and dump. Okay. A whale can't come in here and pump and dump. Can't do that. Right? Over here, look over to the right. I don't know if you can see that where my cursor is. But Pegasus has been running for 181 days, guys. That's over 5 months. That's over 5. Actually, is that 6 months? That's over 6 months. Over 6 months, Pegasus has been running. Okay, that's another good thing. All right. About Pegasus, I'm not going to read all this. They're a group of experts specializing in cryptocurrency trading and risk management for several years. They've been observing the crypto market and how we can take advantage of the price fluctuations. It is a good thing It is a good thing when Bitcoin is up and down, when you can make money. I'm going to talk about another opportunity that does the same thing, but different concept. Okay, easy buy. People are still making money when Bitcoin is down in easy buy. Okay, again, that's another video. But again, Pegasus, people still making money while Bitcoin is dumping. One of the things that they have changed, I'm going to get to this in just a second. One of the things that they have changed since the launch is how much you can deposit, the minimum deposit. Okay, here's some features right here. Again, I'm not going to read all this. All right, hardware cold wallet. We keep funds in the cold wallet. Only a small part of the money remains in the website. Okay, security asset fund, platform security audit. Guys, they've done everything that they're saying on this website. I can't negate that. As a matter of fact, they did some updates. They took the site down and said they want to be back. This was on launch day, and the site is running even better. So where can you put your crypto right now? Where can you put some of your crypto? Not all your crypto. Where can you put some of your crypto? Because these are the supported cryptocurrencies that they have when you invest in this, guys. You can get started with Doji, Dash, ADA, right? Matic. You can deposit with this BNB, right? The minimum deposit, it was $50 before launch. Now it's $300 right now. Okay, so if you want to deposit in this, it's a minimum of $300 to get in. The minimum withdrawal is $30. Okay, so what's 1%? You guys know I'm not good at math. What's 1% of 300? I think that's $3 times 1%. So if you do a minimum of $3 in 10 days, you're going to have your first. You can have your first withdrawal. Now, if this is here's the but, or if you don't tell a single soul about this, you don't want to sit back and earn. In 10 days, you'll be able to withdraw. Well, let me tell you something. There's a 5% fee charged on every deposit. Okay, they got to make their money, guys. They got to make their money. Instant. This is what I love. This is what everybody loves about the opportunity. Instant payment method in BTC. Instant, guys. Instant, and it's true. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Now there is a handsome reward level or referral level, guys, to this thing. It is very handsome. Okay, very handsome. Referring other people would be very, very beneficial. I'm telling you right now. I'm like I say, I've told a few people, and I'm getting paid pretty much every day. I see my balance grow every single day on autopilot, guys. Okay, so there's 3 levels. You can get paid on 3 levels: 8% on your first level, 4% on your second, 2% on your third, and that adds up really, really fast. There's team leader bonuses. You can earn up to 20% commission on 9 levels once you get to a certain level in this thing. And I'm about there almost. Yeah, I'm heading here very fast. Okay. 1.4% of all the total platform deposits as a reward every week, guys. This is huge. I think I got a piece of this because I got a nice little chunk of change the other day. I was like, man, this thing jumped. So I may have been in part of this right here. So this is new. They just added this. This right here. It says the 3 users who have the most deposited amounts per week will be qualified for rewards. 1.4% of total platforms deposit will be distributed every week as follows. And as you can see, the first place, second place, third place. Rewards will be added to each user balance automatically every Sunday at 23:59 GMT. Okay. They even pay dividends, guys. The newly upgraded dividend. So 6% distributed to every active investor. Guys, this is huge. So the dividends, basically, You're compensated every time somebody deposits or make a withdrawal. Okay. So basically, here it is. Let me just read it to you. The newly upgraded exclusive features of dividends has now a brand new structure in place. 3% of each 3% each from deposit and withdrawal fees will be distributed to all active investors. Okay. However, the higher deposits, the higher the rewards will be from the allocated vault of funds. So, guys, this again, I'm loving Pegasus. You know, some people are probably checking out this video or will check out this video and will type in Pegasus scam, right? I mean, that's the negative connotation is always there. Okay, and I understand that's understood. There's been a lot of scams out there, guys. We accept. This is what these are all the coins that they accept, guys. Let me load some more. There's a ton of them. This is why I like it. Very diversified. Okay, they do have a Telegram group. We do have for our team. We do have a Telegram group as well. And we have webinars twice a week, Mondays and Thursdays, okay, that you can attend, that you can invite people to. Let us do, if you want to get in here and refer people, let us help you. Let us do the hard work for you. Okay? Let us do the hard work for you and get people on your team so that you can earn some extra income, right? That's what it's all about. And speaking of Bitcoin, let's go back. As we were speaking, Bitcoin was 20K. It's rose a little bit. Okay, it's rose a little bit to 21K. Okay, so the question is, has Bitcoin found a support level? Okay, is this a support level? We don't know. Okay, as long as, again, my prediction, as long as inflation is increasing, which it will, Bitcoin is going to dump, guys. Right? Bitcoin is going to dump. I might be wrong. We'll see. We'll see. But this is user. My thing is crypto. A lot. 50%. I'll say 70% is user. What's my word? Can't even think of the phrase. It's controlled by the people. I'll just say that. 70%, maybe more, is controlled by the people. Okay. Literally, crypto. Literally. All right. They got some facts. You come here and read about the facts. All right. So again, guys, Pegasus is rocking and rolling. I can't stress to you how great it's been. I've been in maybe a little over a month, and it's been fantastic. It has been fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so that is my time. Here's the drawing board. Remember, got to always go back to the drawing board and see what in the world can I do now? What can I do now? Again, first step, Forex. Get yourself in Forex, guys. I'm going to leave the links below for you to get involved. Actually, it's going to be just one link that's going to get you into my passive income vault. Inside the vault, you're going to see these opportunities. You're going to see the Forex. You're going to see the Pegasus. Get involved, guys. 1.5% a day, 7 days a week is not too bad at all. All right. Disclaimer. Don't put in more that you cannot afford to lose. Investing, guys, is a risk. Okay. I don't care if you invest in stocks. We know stocks are down. Everything's down. So, a lot of times a person may step back, right? And I've done this many times as an entrepreneur. May step back and say, okay, what can I do now? It doesn't make sense to to keep doing what I'm doing if everything is down. I need to put something to work. I need to create something, right? I need to create more income. That's the remedy. That's the remedy. You got to create and generate more income. That's what you got to do. All right. And again, back when the Chicago Bulls were playing, Michael Jordan, what was their coach name? Dog, what was their? I forgot the coach name. Ain't that something? Now I gotta Google it. Now. One second, guys. Phil Jackson. Phil Jackson. He ran what was called the triangle offense. It was very effective offense. I look at this as the triangle offense, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, triangle offense. Imagine a big triangle right here. Triangle offense. Okay, that's the play we got to run right now. That's the play we got to run right now is a triangle offense, because everything is against us right now. What? Hey, look. What you want to look at this? Look at this. Is it true or false? I'm going to say it's true. This is true. This is true. I just showed you. And this is true for the most part. You look at this, and hopefully the triangle offense, what I showed you, will give you some hope. Again, this alone, these two alone, guys, will do you a lot of good. Just these. Not talking about Pegasus, but just these. Because it's something that you can't, this can't be shut down unless you stop it. Okay? You control, so to speak, in a sense, this because of the skill. That's why I always lead with this. Okay? So, guys, again, I'm done. I'm done with my rant. This should be the most critical opportunity for you to make a move. Period. If there's ever a time, and I've said this before, I remember saying this 6 months ago. Like, my statement is, now is the time. Now is the time. Now is the time. I've always said this in my videos, guys, because now is the time, especially right now. So what are you going to do? You got two options. Ladies and gentlemen. Stay in the situation that you're in right now. You look at everything happening, Bitcoin dumping, inflation going up, right? Everything staying the same. And you staying in the same place and not doing anything about it. That's your first step, okay? Or number two, tap into the triangle offense. Which one would you choose? You want to stay where you are right now, continue to watch everything go up, or tap into the triangle offense? Which one? I'm gonna tap into the triangle offense. Okay. I don't know about you, but I'm going to tap into the triangle offense. So get started. The links will be below. If you got any questions, book on my website. Book a time to speak with me. Okay. And let's get you going. Let me answer your questions. All right. This is a solid plan right here, ladies and gentlemen. Even Bitcoin mining right now is still good, because why? In Bitcoin mining, you're still earning money, no matter if Bitcoin's up or down. That's the whole name of the game. The whole name of the game is, can you make money when Bitcoin is up or down? That's if you find opportunities like that, that is where you got to be. If you're really enthusiastic about crypto, If you're really enthusiastic about crypto, you got to find the programs where you're still making money no matter what. That's where you want to be. All right, so that is my time, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and stop sharing this. Does anyone have any questions? Man, I've been talking for 35 minutes. Goodness gracious. Don't even seem like it. Any questions? Any questions? All right. That is my time, ladies and gentlemen. P.S. And by the way, guys, I'll be in and out for the next few months. What I mean by that, I'll still be doing videos, but not as much. I'll still be online, Facebook. So if you need me, hit me up. But I'll be in and out. Got a few things going on right now. So I just want to give you a heads up. But I'm still going to be here to ask you a question to help you get started with certain things. I have business partners that that's helping me on the back end as well for people who need, got questions or need to get started. I can help you on all angles. Okay, so hit me up. You can just inbox me on Facebook. I got a lot of people to get back to as far as getting back to you on Facebook. So my apologies for all you who have reached out to me on Facebook. I haven't got back to you in a certain amount of time. I'm going to be working on that the rest of this week and next week. Phone calls. I got to get back to phone calls, text messages. I got a lot to get back to, emails. So I'm behind. I am way behind. Okay. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy the rest of your day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Triangle offense. Get started. The link's going to be below. And let's make it happen. Take care. Have a great day.